Greetings, students. Here in front of you is Fisomini here to teach you about calculus. We will be doing derivatives. Okay, we'll be doing the derivatives. Firstly, we'll have to know how to derive this type of thing if you are given this derive formula. Firstly, you have to know what A is standing for as it is here, and X also, and N. Okay, considering this, you know that A is usually a coefficient and X is usually a variable and N is an exponent. Okay, as we said, A is a coefficient and then X is a variable and N is an exponent. Exponent. Okay. Uma-ke usutsheliwe ukuthi derive leya nto kanjeyana-ke akudingi ukuthi uze wenze into eningi. Kumele wazi ukuthi lo n lo uma uqala uderive lo n lo usuyaqala uyayiderive into yakho. Uma into usuyiderivile every time uma uqeda kumele ibe nento ekanje. Kunokwenzeka ama-mistake thothi umuntu uyitshela ukuthi yena useqedile ukuderive thothi ukhonile ukuderive isibalo sakhe but yena usefakele uphawu lolu oluthi negative, thothi ufake into ekanje ethi -1. Leyo-ke akusasiyo i-derivative, siyibiza ngokuthi i-inverse but asikho-ke lapho. Thina sizodila ngokuderive. Lola phawu loluya alimele into yakho isuke isi-wrong uma usuyibhale kanjeya. Ngaso sonke isikhathi into yakho kumele ibe y nophawu kanjeya olungathi 1. Okay, sizoderive lento. Siyiderive kanjani? Uma siyiderive sothini? Sifake i-equal sign la. Uma sesiyifaka every time sothatha i-exponent si-multiply nobani ne-coefficient. Step sakho sokuqala leso. Futhi sothini? Sothi n times a into bani? Into x. And then the next step osenzayo i-exponent yaso sonke isikhathi uyiminayiza ngo-1. So thini-ke manje sithi n minus 1. Suqedile ukuyiderive lento kanje. This is how to derive. Usuyaqeda-ke ekugcineni uyaconclude ufaka le sign le. And then this is a complete derivative yalento le. Okay. So buka-ke manje isibalo esosenza based on derivatives, high basic. Lo bekusawu basic. Okay. Let's say wait, let's say we are given 3x squared. We are given 3x squared and we are told to derive such formula. Firstly, we have to know that every time you are given that equation, you take the exponent and you multiply by a coefficient, and also the variable must not be affected. Every time you multiply the exponent with a coefficient to get derivative. Okay, as we did on the basic lapha. Okay, 3 times 2 usually kuba 6. 2 minus 1 siderive kanjeyana. Kusho kuzoba bani? u-6x exponent 1. I-derivative yakho le. Fake lola phawu lola. I-derivative yakho la uderive into kanjeyana. isibalo sakho usiqeda ngalokho, uconclude ngento ekanjeyana. And then let's say sesinikwe into ekanjena-ke manje, let's say g at x equal to 4x cube minus 2x minus 1. So as-derive into ekanjeya. Uyazi wena ngokwakho emqondweni ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi uma uqeda ukuderiva ngoba ku-g at x lapha, kushuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi answer yakho uma usugcina ukubhala laphana, answer yakho uma sekuyiyona yona, kumele kube ukuthi kuba nophawu kanjeya, uconclude ngaleya phawu le. And then uma sideriva lento siyazi vele emqondweni ukuthi sinento kanjeya oku-4x cube minus 2x minus 1 exponent minus 1. Okay, uma unika into kanjeyana sithi sesonze njani, singakwazi ukwenza njani ukuthatha lo 3 lo so multiply nale coefficient le, sizothini 3 times 4 ubalo kuba u12. Sithena inangu i-variable ayi-affecteki yona, ayishintshi, sizothini izoba x. Mase senze njani ngaso sonke isikhathi i-exponent kumele uhlezi uyi-multiply ngo-1, sizothini 3 minus 1 minus sine-exponent ewu-negative 1 lapha. Siyazi ukuthi thina le exponent le singayithatha izomultiply lo negative 2 lo, but u-negative 1 lo u-negative 2 lo. Uma u-negative times negative usually kuba bani? U-positive. Futhi siyakwazi ukuthi thina senze njani, sithi futhi kuzoba bani? Negative 1 into bani? Negative 2. Simultiply ngale exponent elapha plus nalo negative lo. Negative times negative kuzoba positive. Futhi sase sithi x. Lo x lo aka-affecteki, akashintshi kulokho kanjeya. And then sesiyazi ukuthi lapha le exponent futhi so-multiply so-minus ngobani? Ngo-1 ngaso sonke isikhathi exponent uyi-minus ngo-1. Futhi negative 1 minus bani? 1. Wenza into kanjeya. Then mase sizalana-ke. Futhi kuyabuya njengoba kunjalo lokho, futhi 12x squared plus 2x minus 2. Sunento kanjeyana-ke, suqedile ukuderive into yakho. And then suya-conclude ufaka lento le. So wenza into kanjena, qedile-ke isibalo sakho, akekho uthola ama-marks akho onke aphelele kanjena. Usually lezi zibalo ziba u-3 marks.